That is Sniffle Whiff.
What is that?
The Sniffle Whiff. Suck up on this. And put your nose.
Give me my nose. Oh.
No.
You got my nose? All right.
Now what did you nose, Mama?
Oh, it feels much better. Oh, that feels much better.
In the holes.
Oh,
The nose in the holes.
well, I don't want it in the holes. You have to pretend. That's for your hold.
What's that thing called again?
And then Sniffle Whiff.
The Sniffle Whiff.
And then the Sniffle Whiff. That's a Sniffle
The
Whiff.
Sniffle Whiff. You're going to take over the world with the Sniffle Whiff, aren't you?
Take it for with the Sniffle Whiff.
He's going to take over the
Oh, what's
world
that?
with the Sniffle Whiff.
Oh, take over your whip.
Goodbye, cable.
Goodbye to the evil cable company. Well, except we still need their internet.
Yes. Hello to just cable internet. Sounds like a superhero tactic. The Sniffle Whiff.
I'll take all the with the all Sniffle Whiffers. With all Sniffle Whiffers.
You're silly.
I'll take over the with the Sniffle Whiff. I'm taking cars.
We're taking Daddy's car.
We not taking the Hey, this is too.
You gonna climb in there so I can put you in?
Wait, this is too.
That's the modem. We're gonna go turn it in because we're getting rid of our cable.
Moving up in the world.
Getting rid of our cable.
Okay. Oh no, what's this top? Is this Mr. sticker?
Take
Put it in a more natural spot. It's not a good spot. Like over here is a better spot.
My arms don't reach that far.
Your arms look good. There you go. Just don't get tired. All right, so we're really excited today. We're really excited. We're getting rid of our cable, not our internet, but our cable. And for some reason, we still had a landline we didn't know we had, so we're gonna get rid of that too. On our way to drop our boxes off now.
We will throw in the water. Push it that way to deal with the water. Yeah.
Eli is talking about taking over the world.
Hopefully, it'll be a seamless process. They'll have a modem for us. We can take it back. But this is the cable company where nothing is ever seamless, so I doubt that's gonna happen. But it should be a good day. We've been wanting to for a while, but my addiction to sports has always kept me from getting rid of the cable. But I don't.
Don't play, Mommy. It's a play. It's
But I don't.
Hey,
I don't really watch too many sports anymore. So what I do, I could probably just steal off the internet. So we're going to
That's my place.
get rid of the cable, keep the internet.
My place. These are my place here. Look, these are my place. For you players.
And then we'll probably pick up Hulu. So we have some, Melissa can watch TV shows, or we can watch TV shows that way. But yeah, we're pretty much done. I pretty much just watch YouTube anyway, so we'll see how it goes when we get there. We got entertainment in the back for the drive.
If he stays awake.
What are you doing to me?
I'm recording you. What are you doing to me?
You can stick me, Mama.
I'm getting you on the camcorder.
You can stick me, Mama.
I see you in the camera.
Now you see me.
Now you see you in the camera.
Super faster now.
They're super faster now. Did you get some super fast gas?
Nope. It still has with it. That's that way down here on the water. Here's that
What?
way up here in the mountain. What you doing, Daddy?
I'm driving my race car. Well, you and I are gonna go to something to eat. Those are totally vegan French fries. Totally organic chicken and beef. She's still number 7 in line, so it might be a little while. So Eli now chill out here, and he'll continue to eat his 100% organic. All right, are we back all the way? This is for emphasis. All right, so I don't know how well this will pick up. We're turning this car in tomorrow on our lease, so I got to come vacuum it out. So I'm out at the car wash. I don't have a shop vac, so I'm out at the car wash. I'm going to vacuum this bad boy up. We'll turn this in tomorrow. We got our cable box changed. We took them home, hooked up the modem. Melissa right now is on the phone with Time Warner to get that modem activated, so I figured I'd take care of this, and I'm really starting to set aside the time and work on this movie idea I want to do. I want to shoot just a little like 2-minute movie. So the more creative stuff I can put out now, and the more I can get familiar with my camera and the settings and kind of stuff I don't put on the vlog is stuff I'm trying to shoot, like to learn how to work the camera for more like cinematography type stuff, you know, like smooth pans and that kind of stuff. And I'm not very good at it. As a matter of fact, I'm terrible at it. So I've been practicing. That way when I go to make this movie, I can take some cool shots. I do have this story I want to tell it. I'm starting to read books on kind of like how to make a movie. Like I never really thought about storyboarding and laying out shots and that, but now that I really want to do it, it kind of is hitting me where I don't know what I'm doing. So I got to really lay this out and work on it and figure out exactly what shots I want to get. That way when I bug one of my friends to be an actor, I won't be wasting too much of their time with shots, right? I can just kind of get the shots I need, know what I need, and get the thing done and spend the time editing it, because that's where the bulk, anytime I make any of these videos, the bulk of my time is editing, not shooting. So all right guys, I'm gonna vacuum this car out, and I'll pick you up when I get done. All right guys, I got the car all cleaned up, getting ready to head back to the house now. Oh, that's some hair. Ooh, that's some hair. And my hair is usually on point. I'm glad the light sucks. So got the car all cleaned up. I'm gonna head to the house. I'm gonna stop and get some very important editing beverage at Giant Eagle, and then I'll head to the house. I'm thinking on Thursdays I'll do my normal vlog with Eli, you know, the one that my mom likes and most people like, because he is the talent of the show. But intermittently I'd like to do some other stuff. I don't want to just be contained in just that one vlog, so maybe I'll put those on like a separate thing, because I'd like to put out more content, you know. And I'm sitting on a lot of video, and I only put out an 8-minute video a week. So I really think that I'm going to do some more of these, just kind of me vlogs. Maybe they'll have Eli in them a little bit, Melissa a little, but it's going to be a little bit more about me and what I'm thinking and what I'm doing, especially as I make this movie that I'm going to start. It's going to take me a while, I will say that. When I thought, I'm going to set a goal of making a 2-minute movie, it didn't seem like a very daunting task, because I start to look into it and figure out what I want to do and how I want to do it, and realize that I don't know anything about making a movie. I realize it's going to be more of an endeavor than I originally thought. So I'm starting now. I'm starting to get the process started. I'm storyboarding it. Trying to use software because I can't draw. So once I get it storyboarded and I go to make the movie, I was thinking if I have somebody available to run a second camera, because I'm going to try to shoot this movie with one camera, just this one, this Panasonic G7. I thought, would it be interesting, and you guys could comment and let me know, would it be interesting if I had somebody like film somebody who's a first-time filmmaker making their film? And mind you, it's not like a film, it's just 2 minutes. That's it, 2 minutes. No audio either, because I don't have a big crew, I don't have a lot of equipment. I have this camera, and that's it. So I was thinking about having somebody shoot it on my wife's camera, and then I would have like this cool, don't know if you want to say documentary, but kind of like a behind the scenes, like the making of the first film. And it seems like I might just do it no matter what so I can watch it, but I thought, well, maybe I'll ask you guys if you think it would be cool to see something like that. So if you comment and let me know, or you know, if you're not a YouTube commenter, just shoot me a text, because you know, I have 12 subscribers and they're all friends, and so it's all friends watching my videos. So you guys could always text me too, or comment, or send me a tweet, or I may actually start my Facebook account back up just to help promote the vlog and stuff. So alright, I'm gonna take this, get my beverage, go to the house, I'll play with Eli before he goes to bed, and then edit this vlog because I'd like to put it up tonight. And cutting cable was a success.
So far, so good.
Here's my editing beverage. So yeah, we now have Hulu up and running, and today was a success.